Hello everyone. The topic I am going to discuss is about water harvesting and from the heading Introduction to Agricultural Engineering. Water harvesting. It is a practice of collecting and storing rainwater or runoff from various surfaces for future use. It is an ancient technique that has been used for thousands of years to capture and utilize rainwater in regions with limited water resources. Water harvesting systems can range from simple traditional methods to more sophisticated and modern approaches. Types of rainwater harvesting. These are the various types of rainwater harvesting or rooftop rainwater harvesting in which it is collected from the rooftops and directed into storage tanks or cisterns, which is used in household, agriculture, industrial applications. Surface runoff harvesting, which is capturing runoff from the runoff of land surfaces, roads or paved areas and channeling it into storage ponds, reservoirs or infiltration basins. Land-based rainwater harvesting, which is implementing soil and water conservation techniques such as conturbance, check dams and contour trenches to capture and retain rainwater in agricultural landscapes. Floodwater harvesting, which is harvesting excess floodwater from rivers, streams or floodplains during heavy rainfall events and diverting into a storage reservoirs or infiltration structures. These are the types of water harvesting. Components of water harvesting system. First, catchment area. The structure from which the rainwater is collected, such as rooftops, paved surfaces, or land areas. Conveyance system. Gutters, downspouts, channels used to transport rainwater from the catchment area to storage tanks for infiltration structures. Storage tanks are cisterns. The containers are reservoirs for which the stored collect rainwater, which is later used for irrigation and domestic water supply and other purposes, etc. Filtration and treatment. Filters, screens or treatment devices used to remove debris, sediment and contaminants from harvesting rainwater before it is stored or used. Distribution system. Pipes, pumps and gravity-fed networks which is used to distribute harvest rainwater to various points such as household taps, etc. Benefits of water harvesting. It provides a decentralized and reliable water supply source, especially in regions with unreliable or limited access to conventional water sources. Drought resilience. It can supplement conventional water sources during droughts or dry periods, reducing dependence on groundwater or surface water supplies. In agricultural settings, rainwater harvesting helps in replenishing soil moisture, improve crop yields, and reduce irrigation demand. Harvesting rainwater runoffs helps to reduce soil erosion and sedimentation in rivers, streams, and water bodies, preserving water quality and ecosystem health. Energy and cost savings. By capturing and utilizing rainwater on site, water harvesting systems can reduce energy consumption, low water bills, and migrate the need for costly water infrastructure projects. Farm ponds and percolation ponds. These are the two types of ponds which are commonly used for agriculture and water resource. Farm ponds. They are small reservoirs or storage basins constructed on agricultural land to capture and store rainwater runoff for various agricultural purposes. These ponds are typically built in evacuating depressions in the ground and lining them with impermeable materials such as clay, geomembranes, or concrete to prevent water seepage into the soil management. Functions. The functions are water storage, in which it's used for storing of water, groundwater recharge, livestock watering, and erosion control. These are the various functions of a pond, which is farm ponds. Next is percolation ponds. Percolation ponds, also known as recharge basins or infiltration basins, they are shallow depressions or excavated areas designed to capture stormwater runoff and allow it to infiltrate into the soil to recharge groundwater aquifers. Construction. These ponds are typically designed to capture and temporarily store stormwater runoff, allowing it to percolate the soil gradually. Functions. Groundwater recharge. Percolation pond, it facilitates the infiltration of stormwater runoff into the soil, replenishing groundwater supplies and helping maintain aquifer levels. Flood control. By capturing and temporarily storing storm runoff, it helps to reduce the peak flow in rivers and streams, mitigating the risk of downstream flooding during heavy rainfall events. Water quality improvement. As stormwater infiltrates to the soil and percolation ponds, natural filtration process removes pollutants and contaminants, improving water quality before it reaches groundwater aquifers or surface water bodies. Next is habitat creation. Percolation ponds can provide habitat for wildlife and aquatic species, enhancing the biodiversity and ecosystem services in urban and rural landscapes. These are the functions. Thank you. In this topic, we have seen about what is rainwater harvesting, what are the various components used in rainwater harvesting, and what are the source of what are the various types of rainwater harvesting, what is pond form and percolation form, and what are the functions of pond and percolation form. Thank you.